Hi students, today we're going to measure the area of a triangle, and then we're going to put that information into a spreadsheet, and we're going to get the computer to do all the calculations for us. How about that, hey? Getting the computer to do the work for you. Over here you can see my triangle here. Now I've got side 1 here, side 2 which is going to call the base side. That's really important that we call that the base side. Side 3 over here. And then we've got the height of the triangle. Now the height is a perpendicular height. Okay, the height from the base through to the point at the top here. Okay, so the first thing I want us to do is measure each of the sides. Now I've gone ahead and done that for the first one for you. Side 1 is a 7.8, so input that into the computer. Side 2, which is the base side, is 8.7 centimetres, and side 3 is 8.3 centimetres. And now the perpendicular height is 6.8 centimetres, so I can put that in too. Now the next part we want to do is we want to work out the perimeter. Now rather than working that out by myself, let's get the computer to do it for us. To do that, we type in the equal sign here. That tells the computer that we're going to do a calculation. Now I click on here, what do I want to add up? Well, as we know, the perimeter of a triangle is a sum of all the sides. So let's go and add them up. Side 1 equals B3. Then we want to add the base, which is 8.7, so we put C3 there. And then we want to plus that again, and we want to put side 3. Now we're not worried about the perpendicular line here, we're just worried about the sides to find the perimeter. I press enter, and therefore it goes through and magically adds it up for us. So the perimeter of that triangle is 24.8 centimetres. The next thing we want to do is we want to find the area of this triangle. Now as demonstrated to you earlier, a triangle is half a square, or half a rectangle. So you can see there's a rectangle there. So the area of a triangle is half of the area of a rectangle. So when we do this one here, we type in a formula again, so we type in equals. So now the computer recognises that as a formula. Now we said it's half a rectangle, and rectangles area is length times height. So we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to halve it. So half is as a decimal is 0.5. So equals 0.5. So that's a half bit. We want to do the times, so hold shift and 8. That's a times symbol on the computer. Now we want to do the base. Now the base here is this one here. So we click on there. Times by the height. So shift and 8 again. The height. This here is the height here, and that's 6.8 centimetres. So I'll click on here, and I'll press enter. And there we go. The computer has gone through and measured that for us, and worked out the calculation there for us. So now we have the perimeter of that triangle being 24.8 centimetres, and the area being 29.58 centimetres. So once you put the formula in once, you can go through and you can do multiple additions, multiple areas and perimeters of triangles, looking for different ones. There's another feature here on the computer which is very handy. You'll see over here you've got this square here. Now when I hover over the top of it, I get this cross here. That's a fill down command. So if I drag that down, what's happening is I've put that formula in here. Okay, and if I click in here, the formula would be 0.5 times C4, which is this one here, times by E4, which is this one here. So it's magically put the formula in there for that one. So I don't even have to write the formula in there again. And now I can put in the measurements for my triangle. So if I know the base of being 45, and the height being 12, if we click those in, it magically puts it in there as 270. Okay, good luck with your area and perimeter. Go through and put some triangles in there.